Hey guys, so I just got this Samsung S26 Ultra case, and it's a wallet too, and it's in purple, so I'm excited to see it. I'm gonna show you guys everything that it comes with and how it kind of works. So it comes with the case itself, and then just like a how-to card example. And so I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what it looks like. So this is sweet. So it's got the lens protector on it. So this is like the camera protector, and it can go back and forth and snap into place. So for example, it just snapped there, and then I could snap it back there, so that'll cover your camera. And I like that because if you drop your phone flat, then you have this rim around it too that will protect your camera so it's not scratching it. And then also the cool thing is it's got this wallet kind of thing here, which you can open up, and then there you go. You can put your ID in here, you can put your credit card, you can put whatever you want, and then you can just close it up and then have it. So this is a super cool, and then it's also like fox leather on the inside here. It feels really nice. So I like this case, and I'm gonna give it a thumbs up.